Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor Magic V2 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, click Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And select Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close a nut and point your device's camera at the code after tapping on while using the app. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!